everyone. We're here with Tim Stahle in our phlebotomy classroom to give you a little virtual tour of what goes on. So Tim, can you tell us a little bit about your program?
I'm one of the instructors, phlebotomy instructors at Madison Adult Career Center. I was a student here about 20 years ago and come full circle to be an instructor as well. Made a career out of phlebotomy. It opens many doors in the healthcare environment, and I have a passion for it. Tonight we're doing demonstrations where the students come up with a project to help display what they've learned and try to kind of give that knowledge to the other students and share how they've put together details about the different tests that we collect blood or samples for, what departments, the chemical additives, and they display it in many different varieties, and it's pretty fun. So, would you like to show us what your project is?
Sure. So we decided to come up with a game. Just make something fun. The object to the game, you have 60 seconds. You roll the dice. We have numbers on the dice, so whichever number you get one of our color draws. With it, well, then the time starts. So then you have to figure out additives, tests, departments, inversions, and specimen types. And if you do that, then you win candy.
Our phlebotomy program is 244 hours. We offer it both day and evening hours to fit multiple schedules. So if it's something you're interested in, check back to our website and get the enrollment forms and all the information, or give us a call, 419-589-6363.